In the first episode, we picked up the Denza B8, one of the first in Australia.
I am at Denza in Fortitude Valley to pick up my Denza B8.
If you haven't seen that video, go check it out, link's up there. But basically, she slept one night stock. One night. Next morning, she was already at the workshop. New wheels, bash plate, underbody protection, brake calipers done. And once she was ready, we threw the boys in to see what they reckon. This is episode 2 of the Denza B8 series.
So guys, we've just got the B8 on the hoist. Let's have a look. So what we're going to do is we'll pull the factory wheels off and we're putting our forged rims on here. So we'll get them on in a sec. We're going to repaint the brake calipers whilst it's on the hoist. We've already prepped this one. So we're going to quickly give that a spray. We're going like a silver. Look at this. So I've got all the bash plates lined up. We'll do some R&D test fitting as well. So let's see if that looks any good. So the rotors are painted now, and we've got the bash plates lined up underneath the vehicle. The bash plates that we're going to be installing on the Denza B8. So let's get cracking and let's get them installed. Now you can see this is very thin metal. You're looking at a thickness of 1.75 mil. And then if we compare it to our aluminium, you're looking at a thickness of 5. So 5 mil aluminium, 5.5 mil. Moment of truth, will it scrub with 33s and a stock bar? No, it's fine. Alright guys, so there you go. That's probably the first modified Denza B8 in Australia. So we've already put wheels and tyres on it, bash plates are on it. Now, can't even lift it, it's already got the hydraulics. So next up, we're gonna put a roof platform, scanning for bullbar design, maybe rear bar. Let's see how we go with this bad boy. So I got the warehouse guys in the Denza B8 and we're going for a quick spin. Oh my God, the sun is massive. Ready?
Damn.
5.4 to 100. There you go, uphill.
It's having a roller coaster.
That's crazy, dude. These f***ing Chinese people, bro.
Oh, that's crazy.
It's quick.
Yeah,
Yeah, you reckon?
It does 4.8, like if it's on flat, 4.6.
It's a SUV, bro.
On 33s.
Oh yeah, these brakes are definitely...
Okay, now we go mountain mode. Ooh, crawl mode does.
Tug of war. I love how they state that.
Yeah, it's for tug of war.
Like,
No, it actually is.
I love it how that's like a function. Like, just in case you ever wanted to do that.
Well, yeah. Have you ever done that?
No.
I've done a tug of war.
I'm sure you have, but I like it having
So,
a function for it.
I had a tug of war in the Tank 500 versus my mate in his Hilux, and I dragged him, and he was like, "My car's gonna blow up." How funny is that, eh?
That's crazy.
Come on, baby. How many degrees is that? 25. Let's try this mode. This is intelligent. Let's just see what it does.
Loves
Oh,
that.
bro.
That's better. So intelligent is the mode. There you go.
Yeah, that literally did it with nothing.
That's crazy.
So see that, guys? I was in mountain mode, wouldn't get up, and I put it into intelligent twin locked low range on, and piece of piss. There you go. What do you boys think? Is it a good car?
I think it's pretty good.
Yeah,
It's
quick
so,
as.
it's definitely like luxury.
Super comfy, super fast, and you can still go off-road. guys, welcome back to Savage Off-Road. We are on our way to Ace Wraps at Brendale, and they're going to be changing the color of my Denza B8. So how exciting. So the reason I've come all the way out here is these guys are PPF color specialists, all right? So there's not many PPF color. Yes, there's PPF wrappers around in Brisbane. However, PPF color is a lot harder to do. So the reason I want PPF color is so that when I go full driving and we go through Lantana and that, hopefully it self-heals, because my Shark did not. It was just vinyl wrapped and it scratched the hell out of it. So we'll see how the PPF color will actually hold up. I know PPF gloss and satin, you know, it does self-heal. It does self-heal very well. So we're just about to find out, and this is the last time it's going to be full black. So we're going to be going two-tone, but let's see what it looks like. Rico's wrap is getting done by Gzox in Moss Street. So they're a specialist in PPF gloss and PPF satin. So if you want to get PPF gloss and PPF satin or vinyl wrapping, head down to Gzox at Moss Street. I'm going to do a video on Rico's car getting gloss PPF on that. So his car's getting that. He doesn't want to do color change because he's boring. But anyway, that's Rico's choice. He wants to do just gloss, and he's going to go for the 4x4 adventure package. So what that entails is they'll be just covering the important bits that get scratched, say like in car parks, when you go full driving, all that kind of thing. So we'll be heading there and dropping his car off as well to get done. But for now, it's just my B8 getting done. Man, this B8, I love it. I'm like, yeah, I really do like it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. The more I drive it, I actually, and the longer distance the trip, the more I like it. It's so comfortable to sit in. Anyway, let's go. And if you haven't liked and subscribed, make sure you hit the little ding-a-ling and so that you get notifications when our new videos come up. If you haven't already, head over to Savage Life and give that channel a quick follow as well. That's our travel vlogging channel. We're going to be going over to China for a month very shortly, probably during this video when it's released. So make sure you head over and see what we do in China. Anyway, for now, let's go. Hey, I'm here with Jordan from Ace Wraps. So we've just had a look over the car. I'll show you the color we're going. It's like a, I don't know, what would you call it?
Call it like a metallic kind of steel.
Yeah, it's like a steel PPF vinyl color. Anyway, so this is what it looks like, guys. So we're over at Ace Wraps at Brendale. So we'll see how the car turns out and whether he does a good job or not, but we'll find out. And then if I recommend him, it means he's done a good job. And if you never see this video, it means he's done a terrible job and he's robbed me. Now that is one masterpiece. Mate, this looks fantastic. How good is it?
I know exactly what you're asking yourself. What is that doing there? Next episode, all will be revealed. And trust me, you are not ready for what's behind that door. Subscribe, hit the dingy-ling. See you next week. Peace.